Good morning to you guys, and today we're gonna learn how to make very simple game, and kids love this game. It's basically very little of code, just few lines, and let's do it. I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's expand it. Let's play. When I press the cow, when the sprite click, the cow is a sprite, it makes a sound and gives some specifics. And I have to tell you this picture is just a cow, so everything is made with a code. Let's do it. So first of all, I need a cow, just a picture of cow or any animal. Let's go to little kitten, download it, upload it, and here is a cow, just a cow. Let's go to costume. You see, there is nothing out here. I can erase whatever. And we're gonna animate it. We need some code to animate it. And to animate it, we need some effects. Here we have change effect. And for example, it says change color effect by. Let's test it. And it changes, you see? But we don't need color effect. We need fisheye effect. And we need to change it a little bit. So let's put 1. Let's press it. You see? When I click, it's growing. But I need a computer to do it for me. So I go to repeat certain number of times, maybe 30. 30. Oops. 30. And I put this effect inside. So let's test it now. Yeah, it does the job, works well, but it doesn't go back. So I need to do the same operation, duplicate, put it behind, and I have to do minus. So repeat 30 times, fisheye effect, -1, other direction. So let's test it. Yeah, let's test it. Yeah, and when I click it, so when I click the cow, it has to zoom. Let's go on events. When this sprite clicked, here you go. It goes forth and back when I click it. When the sprite clicked, repeat 30 times, change fish eye effect by 1. And repeat 30 times, change fish eye effect by -1, going back to its normal. Okay, and we need a sound now. Let's go to sounds here. And here you can or download sound, or you can find, or you can record your own sound. We need to find, choose a sound. And we have lots of sounds out here. If you want to listen to it, you have to put the mouse pointer over. But there are lots of them, like lots. So easy way to get somewhere is just to go on the top menu, animals, and we have a cow. We click it, and we have editor, sound editor, music editor. We can make it faster or slower or louder. Let's make it slower. No. Yeah, it sounds good to me. Maybe louder. Yes. Let's go to code. Let's put this aside. And when this sprite clicked, let's go to sound. And you see my moose sound is already out here. So I just pull it out, put it, and that's it. Let's expand. Let's play it. When I click, maybe not 30, maybe 20. There are lots of effects out here. You can play with them. Yeah, that looks good. And you can make like lots of animals out here, one after another. If you go to sound menu, let's go, find animals. There are lots of animals. And kids love playing with this stuff. So very little code. My picture is just a picture. It's all animated by code. Sound is from the library. And that's it. Enjoy yourself. Be creative.